My family and friends, they tried to pull me down with juju and voodoo, their dark powers to astound. But I would not falter, I refused to be swayed. For I had a weapon that would not fade. I lifted my voice, I sent my prayers up high to the Almighty above, who hears every cry. His light would guide me, His love would see me through. No dark forces could harm me when His grace I knew. Oh, the power of prayer is my shield and through. No dark forces could harm me when His grace I knew. Oh, the power of prayer is my shield and my sword, protecting me always, obeying the Lord. No voodoo or juju can stand in its way. Prayer's power will conquer, on this I do say. They cursed and they threatened, they tried to ensnare, but I kept on praying, my faith never in despair. For the Lord He is mighty, His strength is divine, and with Him beside me I know I'll forever shine. No dark forces could harm me when His grace